Wait. Bella, did you have a great Christmas?
Yes, Mama.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah, I got a toaster. I got my God in the kitchen.
And what else did you get?
I got my castle.
Yeah.
And I got my Barbies and my babies.
Yeah?
And Daddy is busy, but she gonna not want my castle toys.
And what else did you get over there?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
And Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
And Princess?
Yeah. Yeah, Mama. You open it, then you do.
No, Daddy's got to open that, sweetheart.
No, your turn. Your turn, Mommy. Please, your turn, Mama.
Bella, Daddy has to put that together, so he needs to open it.
A few days before Christmas's eyes will begin to gleam with a wild and ravenous light.
What do we call ourselves? The Gangster Squad.
It's so cute.